Well, right now, I mean, I'll balance that tomorrow. Right now, we blew a 2-goal lead with under 5 minutes to go. That's the way I look at it.
How did it happen in the last couple minutes? I mean,
Well, we
especially
took
yeah.
a penalty, and they got a 31% power play, and they scored, so they got life. We missed the breakaway. Then we take another penalty. They pull the goalie 6-on-4. They're a pretty dangerous team. And then in overtime, I don't know what we were thinking.
Bruce, the mood in there was very much focus on the positives. We got a point. Is that how you'd expect the group to react from a performance like that?
For 55 minutes, I thought we played outstanding. And even in the third period, I thought when they were trying to put a push on, we were positionally, we were great. And, it's sometimes coaches take it a little harder than players. So, I'll get over it by tomorrow.
Do you feel like, the way the team's progressed lately, does a result like this continue to validate the strides the group's making, or does it kind of detract a little bit from it?
I don't want it to detract. I mean, we played a team that's played 12 games in their building, haven't had a regulation loss. I mean, arguably the best team in the league. And, we played them shot for shot, hit for hit, and until the last 5 minutes. And that's, once they got that feeling, it was hard to stop them.
Did the imbalanced special teams maybe catch up at the end, unfortunately, for a while?
We knew that they were going to call a couple on us. It's just the way the game is played. Whether it was a ticky-tack call on Victor or not, we knew it was going to happen at some point, and just didn't know when. I mean, Luke tripped him. That's a penalty. So, but I mean, the positives are anytime you get a point on the road, you should be happy, and probably tomorrow it probably will be. But right now.
You mentioned in overtime you didn't know what they were doing. I mean, it's the best overtime you've probably looked at a long time. And then now,
I'm just saying that we parted the Red Sea. You can't skate untouched right through the middle of the ice. But I blame. We had lines put together, and I changed them at the end, and that's my fault.